Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the fastest way to turn on and off this option, so you will have an immediate access to it, and after that I'll show you how to customize it. So let's start with unrolling the top bar. We have to unroll it fully in order to be able to search through those icons. So let's go and find Eye Comfort Shield. So it is the name of the eye comfort mode or the night mode in this device. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. The screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. You can also turn off this option completely just by tapping on it again, and as you can see, the screen will get back to its normal state. In order to actually customize this mode, you have to tap on this icon and hold it, and you will be automatically dragged to the proper section. However, I'd like to show you a full path of how to get there, so you will be able to do that even if this automatic option will not work. So all we have to do is to enter the settings, and in this left section just find the display. Now we have to find the Eye Comfort Shield, which is right here. We can of course turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and to customize it we have to basically tap on it. Let's start with the color temperature, so we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left with this switcher we can make it much cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. So basically it looks actually like it is faded out or something like that. Just position this switcher like you want to, it's up to you. You can also set the schedule, and basically we've got 3 different options. The always on is a manual option, so you will have to manually turn it on and off. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically as you can see, this option is location based, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrises are, as you can see, location based, as I said. Or you can set the custom option, so you can pick the start and the end time, confirm it, and basically your device will apply those hours, or basically apply this option between the chosen hours, so it's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.